welcome back to the vlog. I feel like I haven't been home in a full month. Between Jamaica and New York, and in between that feels like a blur. I haven't been home. It is November 29th at this point, and my fall decor is still out. It's ridiculous. I got pumpkin in my kitchen. Why do I still got pumpkins out? Pumpkin spice and all type of thing. This thing is just ridiculous. Ridiculous. We need to get Christmas-fied. Christmas, I don't know, but we need to pack all it up, like all of it. Just take it all and just stuff it somewhere. Last year I did gold and white, and I want to do a traditional color, so I think I'm going to drop red into my Christmas decor this year, and specks of emerald green. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna go to Michael's and see what we can find, because I'm sure the shelves are probably empty at this point. We're gonna make this decor pop, so let's go, let's get it. And look at these balls. Is it on sale? Mega ornament set, $16.99. I hope it's $16.99 for real, but these are cute. What about this one? I just don't know if I like this color. I don't like that color in here. I should get this black Santa. Why wouldn't I want? Yeah, drop off the bars. The bars that drop on the floor. The bars drop on the floor. Show all your shitty balls.
Small balls. Guys, this supposed to be aesthetic. What's going on?
You need more, right?
Yeah, if you want it full, it's gotta be.
Oh my god, how much are these? It's a lot of money.
$2 each. $2 point something. But they're 50% off. Everything in here is 50% off today, I think.
I'm gonna put some in there and then this side.
I don't think you need that many, because chop on you shedding the balls.
You just want to shed balls.
A lot like Christmas.
Do we do more bright red or we stay with the burnt red?
I don't know. I'm not an interior designer.
I think this is pretty. Do I do the two of the same thing? Or do I do one and then one of these? I want to get this mason jar and stuff it with LED lights. But do I get two or one? Because this sucker is $29, or do I go on Amazon?
Damn,
right?
$30 for some lights?
I'm gonna go on Amazon.
Put that bit back.
I'm gonna take a picture. If not, we can come back tomorrow if Amazon doesn't have it, because of what?
I don't wanna laugh for Christmas.
Mommy, I love you. Did you miss us?
I love you more, Ma.
Love you more.
Love you more.
More than you can imagine.
I think I love you more.
No, I do.
For you.
Aww. Hello?
Buy a regular one at Walmart and then buy the balls and just put the balls in myself and put it, you know, the archway where lead to the kitchen. Yeah, I put it over there, so I make the balls hang.
Make the balls hang. Hanging balls.
Like, who doesn't like hanging
Mistletoe.
balls? So I'm getting a tree for outside. Should we get a tree for outside?
Girl, sure. Girl, put it in the damn cart.
What day is today? Oh, my head is so itchy. Ugh. Yeah, I removed the quick weave that I had in for my trip to New York, and I'm just wearing my clip-ins again. I just love clip-ins. I can switch up the style. I can take it out whenever I want. I just be doing anything. These clip-ins are from Ruka here, and the texture matches so well with my natural hair. Like, do y'all see that? We are going to the Renaissance. Beat to the Beyonce. We're about to go see the Renaissance movie. Today is November 30th. How? Canada. Well, I think this goes for a lot of places. When they say movie premiere on the Friday, it comes out the Thursday. I always watch it the Thursday because I want to be the first to see everything. So it's a Thursday. The movie officially comes out tomorrow, but it's showing today as well. So today is actually the premiere day. So I'm gonna go see it. Simba bought us tickets to go see it. He's asking me if I'm ready for the Renaissance. I'm like, are you ready for the Renaissance movie? Like, you're gonna ask me if I'm ready? So usually I don't be wearing makeup to the movies, but it's a special movie, right? I think they say it's like 2 hours long, 2 hours 30 minutes or something like that. So I'm just gonna do a light face, nothing serious. My hyperpigmentation on my face is going crazy, and I think it's when I went to Jamaica during that period, the late part of October to early November. I wasn't wearing my sunscreen as often as I should, so hyperpigmentation on my face, acne scar is going bananas. We need to do something. I mean, we're already struggling with everything else on the skin. The face has to be on one. I went with a pretty light beat. Okay, face done. What time is it? I'm wearing silver, of course, and I have an Alien Superstar shirt merch that I bought at the flagship store in July. So I'm gonna wear my merch today. Renaissance. Oh, I don't even know which pants I'm gonna wear. Probably wear denim jeans. Do I have any clean jeans? That's the question. I need to get this watch adjusted like months ago, and I haven't. I don't even think like the battery is working or nothing, but I just love it. It looks so bling bling bling. Bitches mad, bling bling. Bling bling bling. Bitches is mad. I have these oversized denim. I hope they're not too oversized. Unique. That's what we are. Oh, this is what I want to see. Renaissance. Unique. Okay, y'all, I gotta go. Let's go.
3 hours later.
So what was the vibe? Was everyone singing? Like, what was going on?
When we walked into the movie theater, I looked around. I'm like, am I in the right theater? Okay, remember we went to Oshawa. Okay, we're like Oshawa. So like, we in the right movie theater because this is some middle-aged white men. So other like just different array of people. Only the Queen Beyonce. Okay, only the Queen Beyonce can put a group of random ass people of every demographic inside of a room for a concert and a movie.
I've been meaning to ask actually.
What?
Who's Twilight breaking down to tonight, please?
You're talking about Twilight right now. We're talking about Beyonce.
I know, but like I really wanted to watch it from last night.
Okay, we're going to watch. Probably not tonight because I was in a movie theater for over 3 hours. It was long as
I look like I care. Go pee.
I don't want to pee.
Yes,
I've been in a movie theater for over 3 hours. And I couldn't pee. I didn't want to miss anything.
But why didn't you like pee when it came out?
I peed when I went before I went. I didn't want to pee until I got home.
But you want to pee now? Then go.
Tip on hardwood floors.
10 across the board.
Give me space. Yeah, a face card never decline my God. Eat it. Yum. Make it bump, eat it. Make a pretty girl talk that shit. Miss what I'm to say. Bitch, I'm a kitty. Cool me down, my pretty. Bad bitch, you make a bad bitch. Cause you fine. Liberate like we ain't got time. Yada. Boom, caca. That's another best of that. Fan me quick, cause I need my glass. Fan me quick, my wrist goes. Dimple on my hips. Wait, dimple on my lip. No. Dimple on my hip stretch.
Marks on my tits. Drinking my water. Minding my business. Monday I'm already. Tuesday I'm Monty. Flip flopping ass bitch. Fan me off. Watch my wrist go click. Fan me off. I'm hot like stolen Chanel. Lock me up in jail. Uncle Johnny made my... me. Something like that.
Anyways, child.
You wanna go pee, man?
You're gonna get touch my vlog? Our first vlog?
Sure.
Get loose, get loose, get low, get low, get loose, get loose, get low, get low. Oh, better protect my grace. I keep it locked in my grace. And then gain my power will never take. Then never take my power, my power, my power. Then never take my power, my power, my power. Get feel away. Oh, boom.
like crazy.
Last night I put up the tree and we're doing traditional colors this year. We're doing red and green. So I had to go to the store to get some more ornaments because I didn't have enough of the greens and the reds, because last year we did gold and white and silver, so I had to get like brand new ornaments. So we're gonna do the whole house. It's a mess in here right now, like look at stuff everywhere. Just out of breath with just thinking about all the stuff that we're gonna need to do to get this house together. And we're hella late because it's already December. But y'all, we're trying Jollibees for the first time. We're like, let's try. What is this one? Is this gravy? We're gonna try Jollibees. It's a Filipino fast food chain, and we hear people talk about it all the time. So we're like, you babe, we got to try it. We're going to try it. So we buy spicy chicken. Okay, that looks spicy for real. Wait, let me show the people. It's crispy, right? So this is the chicken. Spicy chicken. It's spicy? Spicy. Let me take a look. I don't know, but it look hard fried. You got a spicy thing on there. We're gonna bite it together.
No sauce, no ranch, no.
I know, right? All right, ready? What? You were supposed to wait. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I can see the chicken dry thing a little better than chicken dry.
Okay, not bad. Fries is good.
I heard a lot of people talking about this pineapple drink that they have.
Pineapple quencher. How is it?
It's pretty good actually. Refreshing. You know, it don't taste too sweet. It don't taste too artificial.
Different.
But it's, you know, it's not bad.
Not bad. Not bad. Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad at all.
You sister make me think I want you, running for you like I'm over. I wouldn't wanna wait.
Bags on this little.
Guys, we are doing some grocery shopping because Simba wants to make lasagna. I need groceries for the house because I'm tired of ordering Uber Eats through the week, and I've been traveling. I need to get back to regular programming, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
People go back to eating properly. I've been eating like ass. We're going through every aisle, babe. Every aisle. Come on, need to see what I have. What coffee aisle?
Ain't one thing you want from this aisle.
No, but I still want to see what's in
Man is a window shopper.
you see, that's why I go through every aisle because I don't have any more oats.
You literally got oats.
No, I got one left.
No, there's those oats.
Man, I don't want. I'm talking instant oats.
Oh, you want instant oats? I thought we were eating healthy.
So what that mean?
Oh no, it's instant. That means it's processed.
You think so?
Oh no, I think
Then
so.
why you made that shit up like you really know? You just be making stuff up? That's crazy that you just be making stuff up. This is high protein.
You need oat milk?
Yeah, wait, I'm not sure.
Oh, why you don't ever check the Facebook?
I don't know.
I wasn't home.
You weren't home when? I haven't been home for a month.
You know,
Who been home?
you been home today?
Come on. With a silly self. Hot fudge or regular chocolate syrup?
One of the things.
One is hot fudge, one is just chocolate syrup. You can make
I'm
chocolate
pretty
milk
sure.
with
I'm
this.
pretty. So get it one that got
So
two
when we say
uses.
pretty sure, what?
Huh?
What are you gonna say about this one?
I don't know if you put the hot
No, but you were
syrup.
saying something.
No, if you put it in the microwave, right?
Yeah.
You heat it up.
Yeah.
You could get that from there. So you don't really
You
need.
can get this from this.
No, heat up this, you get hot fudge.
It's a low fat, so I'm gonna get this one. And I got waffle cone.
What she just say about eating healthy and getting back right?
Okay, but everybody needs like a cheat day and stuff. I actually said what I said was I want not buy on Uber Eats so much. So when you have your own dessert at
okay.
home,
So it's not about eating
you
healthy, it's just
yeah,
about eating
it can
unhealthy
be both.
off
It
Uber
can be
Eats.
both though, because
Just as long as it's seen from Uber Eats.
yeah.
Okay. Someone is. She's just a girl. It's girl math of some sort. I don't understand it, but I'm just a guy. So, yeah. No, it's not.
Can we get cookies?
Nope.
Simba, you're gonna want cookies.
I don't want no cookies.
Yes, you are.
Temptation is of the devil. Want no cookies. You say past the caramel chips at High Street,
Oh,
the one that come in the red pack. Let's go every aisle. Come your ass down here. Every oil. Zero sugar Sprite. Zero sugar Sprite.
you drink Sprite? I don't even drink Sprite. I think I just bought a
The iced tea.
Did I?
Yes, you did. The iced tea.
Ooh, we need more chips. I need my chips for when
For nothing.
I make my cheese and jalapeno. Is it jalapeno or jalapeno?
Jalapeno. It's in jalapeno.
We'll have zero.
Gatorade, no? Y'all drink that like
Sugar-free Gatorade.
sugar full chocolate syrup.
Okay, but we need balance, to be honest. Come. Little girl is too big for your ball. And then your parents would have said, it's top nice.
I feel when people in the grocery store or people walking, they should obey and apply the road signs. If you drive on the left in the country that you're in, then your car should be pushed on the left. If you drive on the right, then your car should be
But
pushed on the
people
right.
like me that don't drive, I'm just gonna push my car wherever I feel like.
And this is the problem. This is why we can have a properly functioning society.
Hippies. I need more marshmallows and stuff. I like what I like. So this is Simba's famous lasagna. Looking delicious. Delicious. How do you feel, chef? What the heck is wrong with you? Why are you scratching your face?
I feel good, feel hungry. I was waiting for y'all to come back to eat.
I was supposed to video him, but last minute improv. My mom came over, my sister came over from work, so we were like, we're gonna see Beyonce. I need them to see Beyonce. So we went to see Beyonce while Simba cooked dinner, so I didn't get to show y'all the full thing, but look at this. This is delicioso. It looks delicious. I can't wait to eat it. Yeah, it has been a couple of days since I've recorded inside this vlog. we did put up a Christmas decoration. It's not completely done yet. I don't know if I'm fully satisfied, but it looks really nice. But I just feel like I'm missing some things. So I'm gonna go to Walmart to return a tree that I bought for outside, like for my front entryway. So I'm gonna do that. I bought some pillows as well. I'm just gonna return a bunch of stuff because they didn't work with the aesthetic that I was going for. And if you're wondering about this hair, isn't this hair so pretty? I got it from omgherhair.com. I just recorded the video and I am loving it. I'm going back to New York tomorrow. Like, yeah, Simba wanted to go to New York for his birthday because he didn't get to go for Thanksgiving. We want to do like a holiday feel in New York because I haven't been to New York except for the last time that we went, like last week. Before that, I hadn't been in like 6 years. So this will be our first time experiencing like holiday Christmas feeling in New York. So we're gonna do that for his birthday. But let me show y'all the Christmas decoration that I have up so far inside the house. Look at this cute Bambi. I found this in Walmart. Isn't she adorable? She's velvet. And then I got some faux plants or faux flowers or whatever from Michael's. I got this from Canadian Tire. I think I want to put these in those clear vase. So I think I'm gonna buy about 4 because I have 4 of those candles that I'm gonna put in there. So you see, like, I just put stuff together, but it's not like complete. Then above here I just put like a wreath. Do you call it wreath? I put like a branch there with some ornaments. And then over here is one of my like favorite little spots because I've had this little black Bambi for a minute now. I've had it for maybe 2 years. And then I got these plants, these faux flowers as well from Michael's. They came in a bouquet and I just split the bouquet in 2 and just put them in these 2 white vases. And then I haven't pulled off the tag off of this yet because I'm not sure if I love it just yet. I like to just put things together in my house before I take it off. It takes me at least 2 weeks before I take off the tag off of stuff like this, just in case I want to return it. And there we have it for this part. Isn't that just lovely? I need to clean these mirrors. Oh my god. But yeah, isn't that so cute? And then over here I had some real plants here, but look at my rose. My rose is like dying, so I need to get a fresh bouquet. And then we have this candle here. And then over here I ran out of ornaments, so I'm going to get some more to put on here, and also like a gold ribbon. And then over here we have the ornament bundle or cluster with the lights. And then we have some on this side. I couldn't get an extension cord that would look pleasing to the eyes running from here to connect to this one, so I just left it without the lights on. I'm probably gonna go to Dollarama to see if they have those like battery pack LED lights, because this is supposed to be battery pack, but I think it's a faulty wiring, because I've had this, what do you call these things? I've had this for at least 4 years, so I think the light just went bad, like it's a faulty wire or something. Then above my little archway I have the ornaments up here. I feel like I want to put more in it. I wanted it to be bigger, but I didn't want to mess up my wall, so I got those tiny hooks, and it's barely holding on to this one. So I'm like, if I went bigger, it's gonna keep falling down. So I'm like, you know what, we're gonna keep it as is, because what, it's gonna stay that way, ma'am. Then over here on my little side table we have this beautiful arrangement that I'm very proud of. And then we have our little gold Bambi. I've had her for years now, so I didn't buy too much new stuff. The most that I've bought is the ornaments, because this is my first time doing green and red. Usually I'll do gold and white, gold and silver and white. So this is my first time doing traditional Christmas colors, so I had to buy a bunch of new ornaments. And then we just put this little piece on top of the mirror just to give it like a look. Isn't that like gorgeous? Like, let me step back so you can see the full thing. Like, look how pretty that is. And then for my tree, I'm not gonna lie, people make these ribbon things seem so freaking easy, but oh my god, it took me forever to do it and it's still not neat. And I'm like, you know what? Christmas trees are supposed to have personalities, okay? And this is just the personality of my tree right now. I got this velvet tree skirt at Walmart, and then the ornaments, some of the ornaments my mom bought for me, and I appreciate you, mama, thank you. And then I bought these at Canadian Tire. I just bought a bunch of different colors and textures of the green, gold, and red. Then I got these little thingamajigs at Michael's. I bought like, I think it's like 15 of them, 15 branches, and I just stick them at the top of the tree for the tree topper. And I have this bell here that I've had for a minute, so I'm just like, you know what, I'm gonna put the bell on there just to give it a vibe. Like, look how pretty that is. Gorgeous. And then in the living room, I switched out my fall colors. So I put green for the traditional Christmas color, and this beautiful red bouquet with the greens and the dark purple in it. I just feel like it is so gorgeous with the gold. Love, 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 love it. And I got this candle from HomeSense, and then I have my little candle accessories. So we have gold, we got white to just keep with the theme with my house that's already like this nudish cream tone. So I just added this accent pillow, I added 2 with the gold, and then we have the green throw, and it's just gorgeous. Over this side, I'm supposed to have a lamp here. I don't know where my lamp is, so I need to go in my basement to find my lamp. I don't know where it is. Just big gold lamp. And then I put these 2 Christmas thingamajigs right here. I wanted Simba to install like a floating shelf right here. He was concerned that with the heater and the TV, like the space between it is not a lot to do that. But I'm like, we don't really use the heater here, so if we just put it like right in the middle, it should be fine. Because I want to put like a Christmas ornament like right here. Like I want to do an arrangement right underneath the TV, so I'm gonna need to do, and it's not gonna be done until we get back from this this trip. We're only gonna be there for the weekend, so you know it shouldn't be too long. But I'm really excited. I love just Christmas feels. I love it. So I bought some boots from Essence. I wanted a nice pair of chic designer boots for this winter, because I have a lot of Shein type boots, a lot of Fashion Nova. I have a bunch of those and Pretty Little Thing, because I love boots in like different shades and different styles and all that. But I wanted a really classy designer boots, so I went on Essence and they had a 40% off sale. So I got an Alexander Wang black boot. So I'm gonna open this package and I hope it looks decent, because yeah, I just wanted a real leather boot. So hopefully it looks cute and it fits right. You know, a lot of time with boots, they're, especially if it's over the knee, and if you got thick calves, like my calves aren't even like super thick, but I do have meat on my calves, it can be really challenging to find a nice pair of boots, honey. Ugh. Why are they so hard to cut? Yeah. I think I hurt my finger. Okay. Alexander Wang. Alexander Wang. Okay. I think I ordered something else. Yeah. Oh, okay. My dilemma is with Essence, right? They don't like to put bags in their original like box. This is a what bag is this? Okay, this is a Marc Jacobs bag. This is on sale as well. And I'm like, ooh, yes ma'am. If I'm gonna get some black boots, I need a cutesy black bag to go with it. It was between this and another bag, but this was like 500 less than the other bag. So I'm like, we gonna get this one. Look how cute this is. With the Marc Jacob logo at the front. And then you have the name in the back. This is very pretty. This is too cute. Let me see the space inside. You know, a lot of time we get bags and they ain't got no space on the inside. Okay. It's a decent amount of space. My phone can hold in there. I don't think my camera... I could put my camera in here without the tripod. But look at the details. Look at the details with the Marc Jacob written here as well. Like, that is super cute. And it feels really good. Good quality. Okay. Now let's go to the Alexander wine. Why do I feel like saying it like how Nicki Minaj say Alexander wine? So we got the bag. I think this is for one boot. So the bag for the boot. Ooh, okay. She's cute. And the heels are too high. You know, I can't go over 4 inches in heels, babes. No. Okay. Concern. Oh god, I think I spit up. Oh god. I spit up. My mouth just be so wet sometimes, you know? Like, oh my gosh. Okay, concern. Oh, why is there a chip on it? Ma'am. There's a chip on it. There's a chip on it. But that's not the concern. The concern is it's a below the knee boot, right? But I ain't see no zipper. I don't see any zippers, ma'am. And there's a slight chip on the side. Like, am I being like annoying? Well, let me show y'all. Do you see that? This can't work, weebs. This can't work. I'm gonna try it on anyway. I'm gonna try it on because how do you put it on without a zipper? You know? Like, y'all got me messed up. Like, who constructed the shoe with no zipper? And all these friggin' stuff on the inside. Okay. Oh my god. You did all this freaking paper on the inside, but no way for me to put it on properly. Child! Come watch me struggle for put on these shoes now. Oh my god. Okay, let's pray. Heavenly Father. Okay. It doesn't see. Ow, my ankle. Ow. Fuck. Okay. I mean, it wasn't too bad to go in, but like, this don't make no sense because it's like you have the brand on the side and stuff, but the shoe is gonna be all bended up because guess what? My whole friggin' meat can't fit in there. Pause. My calf isn't even like that big, and then it's not enough room right here for it to be like, for it to make sense. Oh, I'm disappointed. It's cute though, but not exactly how I wanted my boots to be. Let's take this off. Father, you see, this is the problem. Oh my god! Look. Oh god. You see why you need a friggin' zipper? My eye. Somebody take it off. Somebody take it off. Oh god. Oh god, I'm stuck. Okay, I need to call Simba. I think he's coming home. He's coming home soon. What time are you coming home? I put on these boots to try them on. My calf too big. And who the hell does a boot high like this without a zipper? So now I'm stuck. I needed to come take it off.
Oh my god. Oh
I needed to come take it off. This don't make no sense. This is so dumb. I'm upset. Alright, buddy. I'll see you when I get home.
no. You're fighting with a boot.
I'm literally fighting with these shoes. It's crazy. And I'm gonna want grippy too tight because my finger on me. I'm gonna want to scratch it. This is so dumb. I'm so mad. Let me know when you're coming home. I'll just keep it on. Later. I'm pissed. I'm fucking pissed. Like, this don't make no sense. And it's not like my feet are dry. Should I put on socks? That's what it is. But my feet aren't dry. Like, y'all see, my skin is moisturized. So it should be slipping right out. Like, why would you construct a shoe this high without a zipper? If my ankle break, I'm gonna sue Alexander Wang. I'm gonna sue your asses. I'm gonna sue. Oh God. I want it off. Fuck. This is so dumb. That is so. I'm mad. I'm mad because this is so dumb. My calf hurts. Oh, I think I pulled a muscle, y'all. Yeah, I definitely pulled something. Oh. This is going right back in the packaging because y'all done pissed me off. Y'all done pissed me off. Ooh. And then the shoes chipped. Even worse, pissed me off. Shein would never. Packaging this shit right back up. That messed me up. Okay, so here's the dealio. Since we're going to New York tomorrow, I don't think I'm gonna get a refund for this until probably like after the trip next week when I come back to actually ship it off. So when I'm in New York, I'm going to go to maybe like a boutique or somewhere. Not the Alexander Wang one though. Probably like Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. Is it Louis Vuitton or? I'm gonna go to one of them red bottom stores and get me a designer boots that makes sense and try to see if I could get it within the same price range. Cause I got these shoes for $1,000 Canadian dollars. Like that was like a steal for me because it was like almost $2,000. It was 40% off. So I don't know. I don't know, boo. I don't know. But what I do know is I'ma stuff this back up and go in the fuck back. Cause y'all got me mad. I have been contemplating for the last 30 minutes if I should do my makeup now or wait until I actually get to New York. So we're gonna be in New York for 3 days. So it's just for the weekend. And why am I packing 2 suitcases? Like seriously, 2 suitcases. Like winter clothes are so to pack when you're going somewhere that's gonna be like cold. So it's a lot of bulky items, and we're gonna reach in the nighttime. So I was contemplating if I should do my makeup now, since it's just gonna be like an hour 40 minutes flight. I was like, should I do my makeup now or wait till I get to the hotel? But I don't want my makeup to be all, even though my makeup is gonna last and whatever, but it's like in the airport. I just wanna, I might close my eyes, I don't know what I might do. So I don't know if I want to put on makeup, and it's kind of getting later. I don't want to rush. So I was thinking we could go out for like 11:30 or something like that when we get there, because when we get there we're gonna land at 9:30 something, and then when we're going through LaGuardia, it doesn't usually take long, especially since it's gonna be a nighttime flight. It's really quick to get through the airport. So I'm like, we should get to the hotel by at least 10 o'clock, 10:15, and then that will give me like 45 minutes to get ready, and we go out for 11:30. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my makeup when I get there. So I did my hair yesterday. We had the blonde side part, so I'm like, you know what, I want full black type hair. I didn't want it to be middle part, I wanted to do a side part. So this is what the hair is looking like. Look how long it is. I'm such a shorty, because I swear to you, this hair is like probably like 22 inches long. But yeah, it was center part, I put it into a side part, and then I gave it some layers in the front. So I'm opting for a wig for this trip because my hair has been fried for the last couple of days. So we're gonna leave that alone. So I'm gonna pack up my makeup, pack up my jewelry, pack up some fragrance, and I have the big suitcase and the carry-on. I think I'm gonna carry a second suitcase, because I feel like, you know, I might do a little bit of shopping. I might get some Christmas gifts if I see any, and all that jazz. So yeah, that's the vibe.
Would you believe me if I said I'm in love? I want you to want me. Love is a drug, like the strongest stuff ever, and fuck it, I'm on one. We are.
Start giving me reasons to stop. Those innocent eyes. Makes it easy to trust girl.
We are in New York City for Simba's birthday.
Hey man, you know what I'm saying? Like, we're in the city that never sleeps. Only the restaurant closes at a certain time.
Like,
You know what I mean? The
like,
concrete jungle with these bright lights will inspire you just not to get food after 11 o'clock apparently. But you know, we here, we grateful. We thank the Lord
Amen.
for another year. Because,
Amen.
yo, we could have not been here, but we here, so we
We're
thank
grateful.
the Lord. Amen, amen, amen.
amen.
And, you know, we here, we look good. Should have looked better, but, you know, we look good.
Oh, you too sweet. Guys, backstory. So we came in late, like we came in like 10 o'clock, and we're like, okay, it's New York, you know, restaurants galore. It's a city that never sleep, only for all the good restaurants to be closed at 11. I'm like, y'all can't be serious. In Manhattan, well, we're on the Lower East Side, but like all the good restaurants close 11, kitchen close 11:15, if it closes like at 12 or something. I'm like, in Toronto, King Street West would be popping right now with girls, white girl wasted. Like come on, come on,
car throwing up and everything.
come on. It's a weekend. It's a Friday. The kitchen's supposed to be closed at 2, like 2. But anyway, so we found out an Italian restaurant that we're gonna go to. What time is it closed?
Close 2 o'clock, they say. 2.
Okay, so we're gonna try that out. So yeah, we're just here for the weekend for Simba's birthday. We're gonna do you know, New York Christmassy things, and we hear that Mariah Carey is performing tomorrow. We didn't even know that, and she's gonna perform like right where we are. So I don't know if we're gonna be here for that because we already had plans, whatever. I can just imagine how crazy busy that is gonna be. So I don't even know.
We got Mariah on Spotify.
Yeah, like Mariah on Spotify, because I can't do them types of crowds, honey. Like, no ma'am. Anywho, child, this is the outfit for the night. Outfit for the night, looking cutesy. Come in the frame, who? Oh my god, Simba. Oh my god, we look good.
Mama, oh, she look fly, she look good.
You can't touch my. Okay, so let's get it.
Nice. I thought you guys were ready.
Y'all, Simba is drunk.
Never.
Simba is drunk.
Put some respect on my name. I know you time. We can see who's drunk is T and me. Look at this. Look at this. Anyway, we just came back from
Rainforest.
the Rainforest Treetop Lounge, Bar and Lounge. And it was pretty cool, you know what I mean? What are you doing? Good night, how you doing? Oh yeah, we got a key.
Oh, we got a short key.
Oh yeah, I mean. Oh, we scan it? We have. Oh, okay, got you. Oh, okay. You see, the first person didn't tell us all that.
Thank you so much.
No problem. All right, thank you.
I want to take a picture.
She want to take a picture. All right, we want to take a picture. How far up there? Says I ain't got no problem. Says it's you know. Where the different camera is?
Upstairs. I just use this one.
Oh, because who going upstairs with Jay? Come back now. Yeah, take this in mine.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shelby. Have you listened to Pink
No.
Why?
Why?
I don't know.
She this Lotto and I rock with Lotto, so we can.
Oh yeah, that's what's up.
Yeah, man. Yo, you want to knock on everybody doing there running our room? Huh? Chef, let's knock on everybody doing that just running the room.
They would know.
How would they know?
They would know.
They wouldn't.
They would. Guys, this is it for tonight. Simba's birthday begins now. I have recollected myself because the alcohol was alcoholing last night, okay? I didn't even want to drink today at all. So we're about to head out.
Mimosas at brunch.
Huh?
No.
No mimosas. We'll probably drink water. What do you think? We said celebrate your birthday, so I have to drink something. Huh?
I mean, if you don't want to.
I mean, I could take a little sippy sip, a little drinky drink. But we're heading to, where are we going? We're going to brunch right now. Yeah, I didn't bring a jacket for this outfit. It's 11 degrees Celsius outside, so I think like I should be fine. So I'm wearing this big old scarf. Okay, so it should keep me warm. What do you think, Simba?
Hey, man.
I think I should be fine. I'm wearing this big scarf with my sweater and ish.
When in New York, do what Cardi do, I guess.
So, what? What did you say?
So when in New York, do what Cardi do.
What Cardi do?
I don't know what Cardi do.
But you must say, know what Cardi do?
I know she knows.
I would have one of the guys walk. It's like you knew what this guy was doing. What? Oh, I think I saw them both. I saw them both. Yeah. Like he's a good guy. Like you gotta figure like you.
See all the bubbling, you know, you see it bubbling while they're trying it.
So happy I am to see you again. I am so happy to see you again.
That's next level.
Wait, when you learn this?
But it's like when you smoke weed or you just
Also, you smoke weed.
yeah. Like when we go to Jamaica, like always. I can't smoke weed in Canada. I just don't. Ma'am.
I'm stereotyping you right now.
That's fine. Okay? That's a good shit. Sure? Exactly. You know what the person that says. You blowing through your nose.
Wait. Ain't no way you an expert. That's crazy.
Not an expert, but it's just like normal.
Oh, she playing my wedding for sure. I'm gonna get you my whole orchestra. You got it all planned out.
You ready? You ready? Right?
Thank you. I'm not doing what Ross told me. What kind of thing?
Right here. That's the song right here. See it, yeah, city. You put my preaching with alcohol and shit. That's crazy. That's just an art. That's crazy. Is this video gonna look good? I don't know, but we're gonna see if it records well enough. Our bottle. I just came home from a dinner date with my girl Tamara, and I didn't even get a chance to like start off the day with y'all because the day came and the day went. Okay, I've been busy all day, so I didn't even show you guys like a get ready with me or nothing. So we went to this new restaurant called Maximi, I don't know how it's pronounced, but it was a cool little vibe there. As usual, Toronto food expensive AF, but still we moved. The food was really good though, like I can't even front. Like they had this sizzling shrimp thingy-majig with garlic, lemon, butter, and parsley. Delicious. And I had sourdough bread on the side. So freaking good when you dip the sourdough. Like I need to make that dip the sourdough into the butter garlic lemon sauce. Delicious. It's been a while since I've gone to a Toronto restaurant and be like, oh yeah, the food was good. So I had that, and I had a pasta. We had a bottle of prosecco. So we were there for a good 3.5 hours just catching up, because I haven't seen her in so freaking long. So you know, I had to catch up. I didn't even get to like really video like our time there, because in there was so dark and then we was just chatting. This camera records so dark. Anywho, so this is my little outfit. I'm gonna insert a picture in the vlog of my outfit, but I put this outfit together last minute and it was so stinking cute. The vest is from Zara. We got this top either from Zara or where did I get this top from? I think I did get this top from Zara. It's either Zara, Fashion Nova, Shein, one of them places, but it's just a simple turtleneck. And this skirt I had for years. I don't even know where the skirt is from. It's probably from Urban Planet or Garage. It's just a normal pleated khaki skirt. So stinking cute. And then I had my Gucci bamboo bag with this outfit. And let me put this back. Let me put this back. Put her back in her rightful spot. Yeah, and then I had these boots on. These boots are from Fashion Nova. Absolutely love them. And there's, even though they are like, they look high, they are so comfortable to walk in for a fast fashion shoe. And then for my thick calf girls, you see that cut right there, and it stays up. It doesn't sag on my legs at all, which I absolutely love. But the outfit was giving. This braided ponytail, I didn't even record it because I felt like if I actually recorded it, it wouldn't have come out as great as it does right now. But pooh, this ponytail is so cute. I don't want to take it out. I'm gonna wear this ponytail for the next 3 days. I'm gonna have some content to create tomorrow, so we're gonna keep the pony in because the pony is ponying. Okay, but yeah, that's all that I got for you guys. So that is all that I have for you guys tonight. You see my eyes all red? That's from drinking a whole bottle of prosecco. So I'm gonna call it a night, and I'm gonna see you guys. Mwah.